Hello audience, today I gonna show you how to fix Instagram nude camera option not showing. Okay, let's start. Follow my all steps. At first, check your Instagram account updated. Go to your Play Store. Now search bar. Search your Instagram apps. My Instagram already updated. Now open your Instagram account. Now click on profile menu. Now click three dot icon. Now scroll down. Now click help. Now click on report and problem. Snack phone report problem off. Report problem, click on include and continue. Now your problem submit. Now click send. Now check viewers if your problem solved. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe now.